we've got 24 Paxton Net 2 units, large enterprise install. Imagine trying to install 24 access control units along one wall. You're going to need a lot of space, you're going to need a lot of fuse spurs and everything else that goes with it. What I have here from Elmdene is the MULTI-ACCESS-PSU12, and as you can probably see behind me, I've got a number of access control unit boards installed on here. To be precise, I've actually got 24 Paxton Net 2s installed on here. Now I'm going to go through this unit in a bit more depth, but just to show you, and if I open up here, you can see we've got 24 Paxton Net 2 units on there. So this is what we're actually talking, large enterprise installs. Where would you use something like this? Airports, data centers, schools, prisons, etc. Somewhere where you need to centralize a great number of access control units, but in one location. And there's quite a number of reasons why you'd want to centralize it. Let's say you've not got the wall space available, maintenance features, you want to bring everything back to one unit. And even on maintenance side, you can see you can access all of the units at any time. There are thumb screws that I've just taken them off here just to show the ease of installs. Now let's go through the unit in a bit more depth. So some of the key features on this, you may have seen that I've made a video of the smaller unit, so this unit's baby brother previously. So we've got the mesh backplate, so it's not tied to any single manufacturer. You could use Paxton, you could use CDVI, you could use Cantech, you could use Brevo. They supply different fittings for the different units to go on there. So some of the key features. So the unit itself, the power supply, you can actually either utilize DC 12 volt or 24 volt. So if you want to do that globally, it's simple. Flick of the switch and we go from 24 volts to 12 volts. However, let's say you've got a mix of access control unit boards within there. Some are utilizing 24 volts, some are utilizing 12 volts. We can actually add an additional further 2 power supply units onto there, and some of them can be using 24 volts and some of them can be using 12 volts. There's great cable management, so along the sides of each of the units. So for maintenance wise and installation wise, cable management all across the base, on the sides, everywhere. We've got front and rear tamper protection for the unit. So we've got a separate battery compartment at the bottom here, which can either house 3 38 amp batteries or 6 17 amp batteries. And it's a full lockable metal enclosure. So just highlighting some of the key features with the Elmdene MULTI-ACCESS-PSU12. So it's utilizing Elmdene's unique mesh backplate design to mount the Access U boards onto. So it can accommodate up to 24 small boards or 12 larger size boards. So we've got customizable power supply options. So we can add up to 3 different style of power supplies. Now you have to speak to Elmdene because they do have the different variations, whether it's 12 volt DC or 24 volt, and the different type of amp output. For maintenance wise, you've got easy access to all the boards. You're not limited to one manufacturer, you can use a multitude of manufacturers to fit into the unit. We've got a separate compartment for the batteries, and it has the full lockable metal enclosure. And there is also multiple fused outputs available with or without fire control. Now, one of the key features that I haven't pointed out yet, it comes with a lifetime warranty. Now, if you do want any more features, feel free to reach out to Elmdene. I've put the contact details here below, or you can speak to any of their distributors for more information. So this is the Elmdene MULTI-ACCESS-PSU12.